Today we'll be drawing a dragon. Such a dramatic fantasy creature. I'm going to start with a gesture of where you want the body to be. I'm going to have the head come up. I'm going to have the tail go out. And in. Like so. I'm going to have the legs come out. And this one can go back a little and curve in like that. And this one can come down. And this one can come in back. And you kind of just work out where it's going to be. Now this dragon's going to have wings, as most dragons do. It's going to come up like this. As long as the body is, and it's going to come out just as long as that is. We're going to have the wings do its thing here. And there's usually 3 parts to the wing, just like a bat's wing. I used to make as many bumps as possible into the wing when I was younger, but there actually is a logical structure there, a lot like a bat's wing. And you don't really see this side of the wing back here, but you will see this side have a little bit of a shape to it. Okay, and you'll see some faint lines here. Now let's really get this looking like a dragon. Let's put in the neck. Let's put in the face. And I want the horns to be like a spiral. Kind of like a ram's horn or a Uriel's horn. Okay. Some teeth. Put in those feet. Make sure they're bigger at the top, so it doesn't look like there are poles. They should be legs, you know. So, and this one has a curve here, the one that's in front, like that. And the tail can be like this, way back here. Looking good so far. We can start putting in more details now, so that we have it more worked out what it's going to look like. All right. And the more details, the cooler the dragon, right? So that's good. We can have these shaded for depth back here. The back of the legs in back. Really see what's going on with this one. Let's put that in a little better. Looking real good. Now, I like to add flames coming out. Make it dramatic, real dramatic. So, a few quick flames. Oh boy. I'm getting to the end of my page here. Looking good, looking good. And, pretty cool. You can add spikes to the tail. You can add fins to the back if you want. Yeah, the dragon's starting to really come about. Well, if you like this picture and you want to see more, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good day.